What's up, Black fam? Welcome to my build. Today's episode, we're going to be doing a tank swap, and I'm going to be learning along with you guys because I have never done this before. So we are switching to an Advan Black whole shot tank that has those cut-ins.
Advan Black, you know, obviously we've been working with them for a bit to outfit this bike. It started out as a Harley Davidson Softail Standard. Bare bones, we got it off of Facebook Marketplace. Super cheap, basically been going through piece by piece. Amanda wanted Harley Davidson Lowrider ST, had settled on the fact that she was going to buy it brand new rather than buying it brand new and build it into an ST, and she was totally down for that.
So it's been a really huge difference. We have the Advan Black ST fairing,
which is currently not fully together because we are swapping out a couple components here. We've got something missing, as you guys can see, which is going to be changed out to something else.
Blockhead exhaust that we did a custom muffler on.
For those of you that don't know, you can order your own custom logo on our exhaust. If you head over to our website, there is an option where you can select, instead of like our logos, you can select custom.
Did Advan Black bags. Changed out the rear fender, which is actually swapped from Goldzilla. The light and the fender license plate holder are all from Goldzilla. We did carbon shift linkage from Advan Black.
Yeah, so Advan Black has been a huge contributor in this build, so big thanks. We'll be sure to drop their link down in the description below. Also, with each of the videos that we do with Advan Black, they have been kind enough to give us extra parts that we can give away to you guys. In the first video, we installed a fairing, we gave away a fairing. In the second video, we installed bags, so we gave away bags. In this video, we're installing a tank, so what do you think we're giving away? We're giving away the tank. Here is how you enter to possibly win an Advan Black whole shot gas tank.
We are giving away an Advan Black whole shot tank for Softail or touring. All you have to do to enter is sign up for our email blast. Go to blockheadmoto.com, scroll to the bottom, enter your email, bada bing, bada boom, you're done, you're entered. We'll pick a winner. Huge thanks to Advan Black for making this happen. Guys, it's a really big deal. Go enter. Okay, back to the install.
One of the things that whenever we purchased Amanda's bike that we noticed is that it did have some damage on the tank. Also, there's a big scratch right here. That's one of those things, it's like if you have, you know, potential future modifications in mind for a bike, buying on Facebook Marketplace or used or wherever, and it does have damage, like use that damage to talk them down. The seller for this bike, he did not disclose that the tank was dented. There's a whole separate episode that we did going over how to buy a used motorcycle, used Harley on Facebook Marketplace. To the install or uninstall portion, so essentially we have to take this gas tank off, we have to drain it, and then take out the fuel pump, the fuel level sender, install that stuff into the new one, and then install the new one onto the bike. Step one.
Take the seat off.
All right, so next up is going to be two bolts holding the tank on. So you want to undo those. It's going to be bolt here, bolt up towards the top, acorn nut on one side, hex on the other. Since the rear bolt is still in, we can pivot it because we got some things to disconnect under here. Alan would be so kind to hold that up. Remove the rear bolt. Hello. Tilting forward to get the gas to pool at the front of the tank. If you don't have hose like that to drain it through a siphon, you can also use a hose, suck on the end of that hose. Hopefully it's a clear one and you don't drink a bunch of gasoline because that sucks, it tastes terrible. You can also use the drain plug on the bottom of the tank, which is here. And
preferably not the one where the gas all is.
Yeah, so they're holding it up so the gas goes to the back. And then at that point, we're just gonna tilt forward and aim it over that and don't spill.
now we're removing these 5 bolts, which will remove the fuel pump. Now we're removing the fuel pump. Now we are sticking this into the new tank. Whoa, dang, wait now. Okay, so Advent Black sent you this baggie of new drain plugs. And we're gonna plug everything back in. So this goes into here. Overflow line in. Okay, that's in.
Whole shot Advent Black gas tank is installed. What do you think of the look of it?
These lines match those lines, which match the bag lines. Like, I just think it looks super nice. And then this is gonna make it really fun to paint, do like our custom design and stuff.
I like it without the windshield. It gives it a very like aggressive look.
Without the, I love that's kind of, it's more flat than rounded on the top too.
Next steps, put them 93 dead dynos back in it, get the fairing back together, take it for a rip.
Standard gas tank was a 3.5. The Lowrider ST has a 5-gallon tank, and this one, because the cutouts, is 4.75. So I am getting a lot more capacity. So longer trips.
Her bike, the way that the fuel level sender programmed, I believe it should still reflect that, even though it is a buoyant fuel level sender. If she is reading low, she will actually have more gasoline left in her tank than if she were in the previous one.
I like the way it feels. I didn't expect that. That's like an added bonus perk. But I'm really excited to get painting now, and the design cut out, and more to work with, where I've got like a flat area to add design instead of just totally curved. I'm all about this.
So whenever we first started this is one of the things that I told you was that we could take a cheap used Softail off of Facebook Marketplace and build it into what you want. What are your thoughts?
Is mind-blowing. Yeah, y'all kept sitting me down and you're like, I swear it'll look like that.
A couple small differences, but that we're gonna address. So front suspension, obviously, braking, wheel tire size.
That is one of my biggest things we were riding yesterday, and I was telling Jess over and over, I had to put my full body weight into the rear brake. I mean, I was like sideways like this trying to put it on.
I think most of the body panels, we are gonna be changing out the wheels on this. Stay tuned for updates on that. And we're gonna be doing our own set of Blockline valve covers for this also, which we haven't announced yet, but they are not going to be knuckle covers. They are going to be vintage inspired as well.
Huge thanks to Advent Black. My bike would not be possible at all without you guys. We are giving away an Advent Black tank during this episode, so be sure to go into the description below to enter. Seriously guys, this is an expensive, amazing, incredible product, so you can get it for free. If you enjoyed this content, please hit the like button. If you want to watch the future build series along with a ton of other motorcycle content, hit the subscribe button, get the bell icon.
Do us a huge favor, drop down in the comments below what you guys are thinking. Amanda's build so far. If you guys are enjoying it, hit the like, helps us out a lot, lets YouTube know that we're doing a good job. Subscribe, bell icon, be part of the Bell Yeah Squad. Until next time, ride safe, stay vigilant. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.